Libra. This is your pick a card reading for the 25th of November. I am your host, Vanessa Carby. Libra, we're going straight into your channel song, but before we do, I have a message for you. Your channel message is someone saw you in their dreams as their wife. I'm getting someone was watching a video of you and them just get a flash or them just went into a trance and them like, I've seen this before. This is deja vu. I know you. Where do I know you from? I'm getting somebody see you in a past life or somebody saw them future with you or something like that. I'm getting someone's like, you, yes, you're my wife, okay? So this is your channel song. Hopefully your wife is not putting you through this, but okay, oh well. Libra. Easy come, easy go, that's just how you live. Oh, take it all, but you never give. Should've known you was trouble from the first kiss. Had your eyes wide open, why were they open? Gave you all I had and you tossed it in the trash. You tossed it in the trash, yes you did. Now to give you all my love is all I ever ask. Cause what you don't understand is I'd catch a grenade for you, throw my hand on a blade for you, I'd jump in front of a train for you. Oh boy, I'd do anything for you. Oh, I would go through all this pain. Nigga, I ain't taking no fucking bullets through my brain for you, babe. Yes, I would die for you, baby, but you won't do the same. Okay, Libra, I don't know what's happening for you. I feel like you had loved somebody so much you would have died for them. Now, hopefully that's what it is, and you don't love somebody so much that because they left you, you're rather to see them died. Them kill him life, them kill her life, right? Okay, so yeah, I'm getting someone would have catch a grenade for you. They would have jumped in front of a train for you. They would have done any single thing for you, Libra. They would have gone through all of this pain. I'm not sure about the bullet pass same way coming. That's not blood clot mankind. But they would have died for you, Libra. But you wouldn't have done the same. Anyways, let's just go ahead and go into your 3-card pick a card segment. So Libra, choose the card that you feel drawn to. So Libra, if this card is the card that you feel drawn to, you're coming out with the Ace of Wands, Libra. So this could be sexual pleasure, right? I'm getting you in love with somebody, Libra, or you can't stop thinking about somebody. Somebody is, I don't know if you're thinking about sexual fantasies with this person, if you ever had that experience with them in the past. If not, you're thinking about what's coming in the future. We have the 2 of Pentacles. You're wondering if you're supposed to take a risk on this. You don't know. I'm getting once you decide to open this door, you can't shut it back. Once you decide to go through this door, you can't go back through it. We have the Lover's card, right? I'm getting you going back and forth, wondering, because you know once you have sex with somebody, it totally changes everything. I'm getting you're analyzing how you feel about somebody. You know you want to be with them. You're saying to yourself, is this just sex or do I really love them? We have the Ace of Swords. I'm getting we have Ace of Wands, Ace of Swords. Regardless of what you think is the emotional connection as to why you like them, I'm getting you don't like to them and you're sexually attracted to them. So I don't see what's wrong with that, Libra. We also have the Ace of Pentacles. We have Ace of Pentacles, Ace of Swords, Ace of Wands. The only ace that is not here so far is the Ace of Cups. So I'm getting, somebody will take a big gamble with you. They're going to put themselves in debt for you, like how Bruno Mars is in debt. Okay, next card, we have the Angel, Sagittarius. Somebody feel like you're worth it. Somebody saw them life with you. Them is like, you never end my life with you. I see you before in my dream or somewhere. Right, the Angel. And one more, we have the 9 of Pentacles. Yeah, you're single now, but not for long. I'm getting a Sagittarius going to sweep you up off of your feet. It could be a Sagittarius, a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, or a Gemini. But I'm getting, somebody want forever with you. I'm getting your angel alone, and with them know that you could provide them with so much peace of mind. So that's what it is, okay? Back to your card selection. If you have selected card number 2, you have selected the Three of Cups. Now with the Three of Cups, Libra, so partying, celebration, all right? And this could be just getting good news, sharing good news with you and your friends, okay? We also have the Seven of Pentacles. All right, so this could be you're more so into partying than actually attending work. If that's not it, Libra, I'm getting you're now reanalyzing your finance. Maybe you're going out too much, you spend too much money, especially on alcohol and partying. Yeah, we have a Justice card. Libra, this is you. You showed up for your reading. Hi! I'm getting you're trying to find a balance with the work life and going out and party. Or I'm getting Libra, you need a new entertainment because whatever you do, it had done your money. Alright? Yeah, we have the Eight of Swords. You go out, you party, or you say, yeah, I'm going to just take half of my money and party, half and save. By the time you party and come back, you're like, why did I spend so much money on one night? Yeah, we have the Queen of Cups. Now also, me getting if you're going through a divorce, me getting you're not gonna give the Queen of Cups nothing. You rather go spend it on strippers. You're gonna be like, you wanna divorce me, I'm gonna leave you stuck. I ain't giving you no money. I'm gonna give you one of Pentacle out of 7, but the others one I have, I'm gonna just spend it off with girls. So maybe you divorce somebody, them very sour about it, them don't want to give no money. Me getting them up, go out, post pictures on social media of them and girls on them social media. Meanwhile, you ain't getting shit, basically. Basically, you ain't getting shit. We have the Libra card again, Libra 2 time. Going back to the first song, I catch a grenade for you. Yeah, me getting here somebody are going on one partnership. Now this may not be marriage. This might be a long-term commitment. But something going to last at least 11 years. Me getting 2 is 2 of y'all. 2 of uno binding. Or me getting the man don't want to get a divorce. The man is over here fucking other bitches until they decide to give him a second chance. Because you ain't going nowhere. The last card we have is a 4 of Wands. Yeah. Me getting, did you guys sign a new lease together? Me getting something about a house just signed. Me don't know if you are going in the house. But me getting, for some reason, you feel you're stuck. Unless for some reason you have to share this house with this Libra. They might tell you, say, yeah, you and this person have to share this house. And you're like, that nobody never tell me that. Also, me getting, don't move into a house before you get the lease. You hear? Somebody might say, move into the house and after we get the lease. Don't be stupid. Do not be stupid. Don't make a homeless girl outsmart you. Alright? Me getting somebody gonna ask you for moving without a lease. Don't be a stupid bitch. Never, ever move into a place without a lease, without you having a copy, without your name on the paper, so that nobody can remove you from the place. Then I'm gonna tell you, for come into the place, yeah man, it's okay, we will sign the lease next month. It's okay, you can come. We're giving you a free month off, yeah, because when you move in and furnish the place and everything, then they must say, oh, so this is the name on the lease. You're not on the lease. So be very careful or very wary about that. You can call this a tabernacle, okay? All right, Libra, your final card, Libra. So if you have selected this card, then you have selected the 6 of Pentacles, Libra. So I'm getting that's donations, that is philanthropy work, okay? I don't know, stopping at the stoplight and you see somebody in the street begging you something and you decide to give them. That's the 6 of Pentacles. We have 4 of Pentacles. Me getting you giving them, but you don't have. So anything you give people, me getting you giving it out of an open container, basically. Now 6 of Pentacles and 4 of Pentacles relates back to the 10 of Pentacles. So I'm getting whatever you're doing, even though it's break. This could be like Mr. Beast. You saw Mr. Beast take the whole of the money and put it back in our videos. Like almost 98% of the money go back in our videos. But him have money because each time he posts a video, he will make more money. You get what I mean? So me getting whatever you're doing, you'll get back the money. But the money is not here for you to use and build an empire on. It's something like you recycle the money. Yeah, we have the 8 of Cups. I get it, you don't care about the money. You just know that you're the vessel as to what attracts the money. And you'll always get it. So I'm getting you ain't. Me getting right now, you're just being very philanthropic. Philanthropy. Sorry, Anthony Miller. All right, you're planning to be very helpful and basically just help out the needy. We have the King of Wands. Me getting you feel like it's your karma. You need to help out people. Something I ride your karma and you feel like, yeah, you know what, I'm supposed to do, this is my karma. I'm supposed to be helping these people out. I'm getting every time I help people less fortunate than you feel good. We have a 7 of Swords. Maybe you're stealing from the rich to help the poor. The 8 of, so we have 7 of Pentacles, 7 of Swords, 77. I'm getting, yes, you're stealing from this wealthy company or this wealthy man. And I'm getting your thief the money I will give to the poor. Like Robin Hood. The last card out we have is Libra. Yeah, I'm getting that's your justice. Or you feel like, you know what, life ain't fair. It's not fair. Even if you follow the rules, go through school, be an obedient person, life is still not fair. So I'm getting, I don't know, I feel like you find a way to access somebody's accounts. You get access to them account and basically you can disperse the money. So nobody can know who the money really belonged to or nobody can know who was a real thief. Maybe you have some offline accounts, you have some offshore accounts, all right? Third eye. We have take a break. We got I sold my soul. We're getting a selling it for the needy. The Empress. And cursed. This could also be you want the Empress to see you. I'm getting you want the Empress to look for you. And you know that the only time the Empress will acknowledge you or acknowledge people is if them doing like philanthropic things or, you know, humbling things, you know. Unless you're acting like a monk or unless you're being helpful towards the less needy, you can't attract the Empress's attention. So that's kind of what's forcing you to go ahead and do this. I'm going to leave it here. Until next time. Bye.
Oh my God.